Hey y'all, as you can tell by the title, today I'll be making cornbread. Okay, so since I wanted something quick, I'm just using the Jiffy corn muffin mix. I'm using 2 boxes. So now I'm just going to be adding 2 eggs. Then you're going to see I'm adding some vanilla extract. Okay, now I'm just going to be adding some sugar into it. Now I'm going to add milk. Okay, so once everything was in a bowl, I'm just going to start mixing everything up. Okay, so the last ingredient, I'm just going to be adding some melted butter. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you hit that like button and also make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, now it's time to put it in a pan. I just put some butter in the pan so it doesn't stick. Now it's time to put it in the oven, and then I'll show you guys how it looks once it's done. Okay, now that it's done, I'm just going to be cutting me a piece and showing you guys how it looks inside. Oh my god, look at it. It's so soft, and when I tasted it, it's so good and buttery.